Transform your dream bathroom into a beautiful reality with TMT Central Bathrooms, London's finest bathroom fitters. Are you ready to turn your bathroom ideas into a stunning reality? At TMT Central Bathrooms, we specialise in creating bespoke designs and installations that align with your unique style and preferences. Whether you envision a modern, contemporary or traditional look, our skilled craftsmen will bring your vision to life. Unlike other bathroom installers, we're not tied to a single supplier. With access to hundreds of options, we can help you choose the perfect bathroom fixtures for your new bathroom. Our fully insured and professionally trained specialists work with some of the UK's most trusted bathroom suppliers, ensuring exceptional quality and no compromises. Our dedicated project manager will simplify and guide you through the process, ensuring a stress-free experience, leaving you with a final luxurious finish to enjoy. Our comprehensive services include tiling, plumbing, lighting and much more. We even handle painting, decorating and electrical work, a complete headache-free service. Experience the freedom to explore all options and create a bathroom that reflects your individuality and needs. Contact us today and let us transform your bathroom into a captivating haven of luxury and style. Fill out the form or call us to join hundreds of our happy customers.